In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Face ID to download apps on the App Store. If you're tired of typing your Apple ID password every time you grab a new app, this walkthrough will show you how to make downloads quick, secure, and effortless using Face ID. First, let's confirm that Face ID is already set up for the App Store. Open the App Store and find any free app. Tap Get. If Face ID is enabled for purchases, you'll see the Face ID icon appear at the top of the screen along with a prompt to double-click the side button to confirm. The side button is the one on the right edge of your iPhone. Double-click it, then look at your iPhone so it can scan your face. If everything is set up correctly, the app begins downloading without asking for your Apple ID password. If you don't see the Face ID prompt and it asks for a password instead, don't worry. That just means we need to adjust a setting. Next, open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap Face ID and passcode. Enter your iPhone passcode to unlock these options. This is required for security and allows you to control where Face ID can be used. Now, enable Face ID for the App Store. Under the section labeled Use Face ID for, find iTunes and App Store and toggle the switch to on. With this setting enabled, Face ID can authorize App Store downloads, in-app purchases, and subscriptions tied to your Apple ID. You'll still see on-screen confirmations before anything is purchased, and occasionally you may be asked for your Apple ID password for added security, but most of the time Face ID will handle it instantly. Return to the App Store to try it out. Tap Get on an app you want. When the prompt appears, double-click the side button, then look at your iPhone so it can authenticate with Face ID. As soon as it recognizes you, the download will begin. No password required. If you're in bright sunlight, wearing certain sunglasses, or holding the phone too far away, adjust your angle or distance so your face is clearly visible to the TrueDepth camera. That's it. You can now use Face ID to download and install apps quickly and securely from the App Store, making everyday downloads faster and more convenient. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more App Store tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined downloads.